He is known by many names: Chief Kingsley Ekeoba, but most people call him Escoba Smith, the Igbo billionaire businessman who has quietly built one of the most intriguing business empires among Nigeria's rising generation of entrepreneurs. Although his story isn't as well documented as those of Nigeria's biggest corporate icons, what is clear is that he represents a new wave of Igbo business leaders rooted in tradition, yet globally oriented, blending enterprise with influence, in a way that few others have done. Escoba Smith was born Kingsley Ekeoba on the 23rd of December 1983 in Umuahia, North Local Government Area of Abia State, in the southeastern region of Nigeria. He hails from Umukabia, Okpuala, a community in the heart of Igbo land, where ambition and commerce are part of daily life. From an early point in his adult years, Kingsley gave every indication that he was made for big things. Not the quiet life, not the mundane routine, but for business, influence, and impact beyond his immediate community. Kingsley's life has taken him far from those early days in Abia State. Today, he is based in Istanbul, Turkey, a global city at the crossroads of cultures and commerce. But despite his international base, he remains deeply connected to Nigeria, particularly Abuja and his native southeast, where many of his business interests are concentrated. He built his reputation not through political connections or inherited wealth, but through strategic business ventures, especially in real estate, hospitality, and wealth management. At the center of that success is the Mukrons group of companies, a diversified conglomerate that symbolizes his reach and ambition. The Mukrons Group operates across several sectors, with a sharp focus on property development, corporate real estate, and high-end hospitality services. Under the umbrella of the Mukrons Group, Kingsley serves as Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, guiding companies that include Mukrons Nigeria Limited, Mukrons Developers and Properties Limited, and the well-known Grosvenor Suites and Apartments in Abuja's upscale Gwarinpa district. The Grosvenor Suites, in particular, has become one of the city's notable hospitality landmarks, known for its blend of comfort, luxury, and service, a testament to Escoba Smith's business instincts and his understanding of Nigeria's growing hotel and real estate market. Escoba's journey has not been without its critics, but he has steadily built an image as a disciplined and generous businessman. He is known among friends and followers for his philanthropic gestures, often shared on social media platforms, where he operates an active Instagram account with over 200,000 followers. There, he posts snapshots of his life, from luxury cars and mansions to moments of giving, financial empowerment, initiatives, and community support. In an age where authenticity and image often blur, Escoba chooses to share his personal story publicly, not just the glamour, but also moments of generosity. He has reportedly used his influence to support empowerment causes and giveaway programs aimed at less privileged individuals, especially on Instagram, where he has interacted directly with followers about opportunity and upliftment. His business interests extend beyond hospitality and real estate. Escoba's reach includes investments in agriculture and transport, as noted in several public profiles of his ventures. The precise structure of his corporate portfolio is typical of many Nigerian conglomerates, interconnected, diversified, and opportunistic, moving where markets and emerging trends show potential for growth. Escoba's personal life has also been a point of interest for many who follow his journey. He is married to Vanessa Ekeoba, and the couple is blessed with 2 children, a daughter and a son. The family reportedly splits their time between Turkey and Nigeria, reflecting both Escoba's international lifestyle and his ongoing ties to his homeland. The birthdays of his children, June 27 for his son and October 5 for his daughter, are often celebrated publicly, revealing a side of the businessman that is deeply personal and family-oriented. Despite his prominence, Escoba has also faced challenges common to public figures who balance business success with public visibility. There have been instances where scammers have created fake social media accounts in his name, prompting him to issue warnings and clarify that his official presence is limited to specific platforms. This echoes a broader pattern in the lives of high-profile entrepreneurs, where reputational guardianship becomes part of the business portfolio itself. When it comes to his financial standing, estimates vary. Escoba Smith is widely described as one of the silent Igbo billionaires entrepreneurs who fly under the mainstream media's radar, yet command vast wealth and influence. According to multiple profiles, his net worth is frequently cited around $15 million to 24 billion naira, figures that reflect his asset base more than liquid cash and suggest a level of success uncommon among his peers, yet characteristic of a new breed of African corporate figures. While some sources boldly call him a billionaire, it's worth noting that this term is often applied loosely in media profiles in Nigeria and may refer to naira-based wealth rather than clear global billionaire status. Regardless of precise figures, what remains incontrovertible is that Escoba ranks among the wealthiest Igbo business leaders of his generation, a testament to his entrepreneurial drive and strategic investments. Escoba's success also aligns with the larger narrative of Igbo business prowess in Nigeria and across Africa. The Igbo community, known for its trade acumen, have produced many influential businessmen who have shaped the country's economic landscape. From globally recognized names to less publicized figures like Kingsley Ekeoba, this network of entrepreneurs reflects a culture that values enterprise, resilience, and creativity. Despite not being as internationally celebrated as some of his counterparts, Escoba's story is compelling because it demonstrates how modern wealth in Nigeria is being built through diversified strategies, real estate, hospitality, investment, and social media influence. His life also underscores a shifting dynamic in how African business leaders engage with the public: open, interactive, and deeply personal. There is also something uniquely symbolic about Escoba's rise. Emerging from Abia State, a region not traditionally associated with vast industrial empires, he represents a generation of entrepreneurs who do not wait for older institutions or external validation before carving their path. Instead, they build, share, and inspire simultaneously, using platforms like Instagram to expand their brand and connect with a global audience. The friendships and networks he has cultivated with other well-known Nigerian multi-millionaires, including figures in entertainment, hospitality, and lifestyle spaces, also show how modern Nigerian elites build influence through relationships as much as through business performance. These associations amplify his profile and integrate him into a wider ecosystem of Nigerian entrepreneurs thriving at home and abroad. Escoba Smith's legacy, though still unfolding, is already rooted in transformation for himself and for those he touches through business and philanthropy. Whether it's offering opportunities, managing luxurious properties in the nation's capital, or inspiring young Africans to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams, His influence extends beyond boardrooms and balance sheets. But perhaps what stands out most in his story is not just wealth or the trappings of success, the mansions, the cars, the life between continents, but the embodiment of an Igbo business spirit that refuses to be confined by geography or expectation. In a world where business leaders are often measured by global headlines, Escoba Smith remains a figure defined by enterprise, evolution, and impact, a billionaire not just in wealth, but in narrative and influence.